Hey, what's going on? This is Wiley out of Atlanta, Georgia. And I just want to do a quick testimonial about this Superstar Sports Gel. When I first saw it, I was like, I ain't know if it really worked or not. I was skeptic just like the average person. But I support my black businesses, and I saw the brother, he had this gel, and I had a little pain actually in my knee. So I tried it out. Actually, he put it on right while I was in the store. And within minutes, I'm saying literally within minutes, the pain has went away. And so I actually showed it to my wife. She had some pain in her thighs, and I'm talking about I rubbed it on her thighs, and literally within minutes the pain had decreased and almost diminished to where it was gone. So guys, you need to get over here to the Glenwood Flea Market, get you some of this Superstar Sports Gel. You can see it, the logo right behind me. This stuff is the truth, okay? Once again, Wiley out of Atlanta, Georgia, telling you, come get your Superstar today.